work out the mean of these numbers. The clue is the last number there. It's in the form root 5. It's got a root 5 in it. So all these other numbers needs to have a root 5 in it. So now, what two numbers multiply together to give you 20? The first number you think of has to be a square number. It's going to be 4 times 5. Square root of 4 is 2, and then square root of 5, well, 5 is not a square number, so you just leave it in surd form, square root of 5. Right, next one. What two numbers multiply together to give you 45? The first number has to be a square number. It's going to be 9 times 5 is 45. But we know square root of 9 is 3, and then square root of 5 is just square root of 5. And that number there already, you can just leave it as it is. We'll just leave it as 7 root 5 to be consistent, because all these numbers now have got root 5 in it. We're trying to work out the mean, so just a quick recap of what mean is. Mean is to find the mean of numbers, add the numbers up, and then divide by the number of numbers. So let's start by adding. And then we're going to divide by, well, how many numbers are there? 3. Right, let's work with the numerator first. So on the numerator, we're adding 2 root 5, add 3 root 5, add 7 root 5. That makes 12 lots of root 5s. And in the denominator, we still got to divide by 3. So to finalize this question, the answer, 12 divided by 3 gives you 4, and this root 5 stays where it is. That's root 5. So the answer is 4 root 5. Write root 6 times root 8 in the form a root 3. The clue is the root 3. But first of all, I'm just going to write this as root 6 times 8 is 48. Now what two numbers multiply together to give you 48? But the first number that comes in your head has to be the biggest square number that works. That's going to be 16. 16 times 3 gives you 48. That can be simplified further. Root 16 is 4, and then root 3, just leave it as root 3. Now compare this with the way they want it. Well, you've got the root 3, it's already there, and the root 3. So the value of a, this value of a is 4. So that's the answer, 4 root 3. The value of a is 4.